Hi, I'm Ted from Veneering. If you've got a Jaguar and it's got a ski slope where the gears around, so to say, chances are it's going to be like this. Now, if you come in a little bit closer, you can see how it's all discoloured and it's faded with the sunlight, and it's actually on a metal substrate. So basically, because it's on a metal substrate, the metal will oxidise or it'll go a little bit rusty, and this is going to be the result. You can actually grab it and chances are yours is going to be like this. You can see how easy that's come off. The glue is no longer doing its job, and like I said, this has gone all oxidised, so that's made it all pop off from that substrate. So what our job is, the customers fetch this in today, our job is to clean all this off. We'll keep this piece as a colour match, and we'll try our best to match it to that colour. So if you have a look in the later videos that we do on this particular job, you'll see the transformation of this actual piece. So like I said, we're going to strip all the lacquer off this, then we're going to put some burr walnut veneer, because this section at the top, that's what normally where it's been covered by a piece of rubber, so it has protected that little piece, so that will be the colour that we're kind of aiming to get to. So to do that, we're going to use one sheet of this bundle of burr walnut veneer. Now, I know it looks a little bit different colour because we still do have to sand it once it's been applied. So I will give you an idea of the colour that it will go. So we spray that on there, and then we'll put that up against that, and you'll see with a little bit of cherry stain it will turn it that type of colour. That way it's going to match the rest of the car. My name is Jed from GDK Veneering. If you need any of our help, if you need your woodwork restoring, if you can just contact us on them details. And like I said, we are on Facebook, YouTube, TikTok and all the other social media sites. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.